it means that for you to really have eternal life, we need to have Jesus Christ as our personal Lord and Savior. Depending on whatever you do, whatever you do. The Bible says that you alone will do that you can have peace. You don't have any other way. There's only one way to get eternal life. And there's no compromise about it. You are not being compared about it in the best. It's a matter of your free choice. Jesus said in the gospel.
Thank you.
Jesus said in the Gospel of John, chapter 14, verse 6 says, Thomas and Peter said, I am the way, the truth, and the life, and that no one comes to the Father except through me. We have only one way to make eternal life. Only way we can have eternal salvation is through the Lord Jesus Christ, and no other way. It may not be palatable, but this is the simple truth. Because the truth is always very deep. And when we tell you the truth, it's like the heavens are. The obvious fact that the only way you can make eternal life is through the Lord Jesus. That's what he said. Why? Because one, he came down here literally on earth 2,000 years ago. He preached the gospel as I'm doing right now. He healed the sick. He showed compassion. He showed forgiveness. He did all these things for us. And he God. And he was the Son of God. God sent by the Father to deliver you and me from sin and to eternal salvation. You see, he shed his blood on the cross of Calvary, which the blood of bulls could not atone for us. The atonement of sin, which his blood did for us in the cross, which had to make a gateway for us to eternal salvation, is what the blood of bulls, the blood of people, the blood of anything could not do. Even the blood of Abel could not do that. That's why it's very important for us to understand who Jesus is. And he is not just a Messiah. I mean, it's not just a prophet. It's not just anybody. But he's not just any other thing. But he is the Son of God. He's God, the personal Trinity. That is God the Son, God the Father, and God the Holy Ghost. All in one. And so he says in John chapter 10, verse 6 says, if you know, he says, if you have known my Father, then you've known me. Now, you see, he talks about his personality and his relationship with his Father. Now, in John 14, verse 6 says, I am the way, the truth, and the life, and that no one comes to the Father except through me. And in John 10, he talks about, his own relationship with the Father. He said, if you have seen me, you have seen the Father. And in John 14, he continues, says, if you are the works I do, the Father also does it in me. He said, if you believe in my Father, he said, also believe in me. He said, if you believe in the Father, he said, also believe in me. Why? Because in John 10, he says, I and the Father, we are one. And what he says, if you read it, says, whatever my Father does, I am doing, and whatever I do, the Father does it in me. Why? Because the Son has to glorify the Father. And so in his he said, whatever you ask in my name, whatever you ask in my name, I will be sure I will.